boys and girls. Today you will be learning about dolphin families. And so we're going to learn a little bit about what a dolphin is and what it does and what it eats. And then we're going to learn about how a dolphin is like a family. So let's go ahead and start reading. What swims in the water but isn't a fish? What whistles and chirps but isn't a bird? What loves to jump but isn't a frog? It's a dolphin. Fish or mammal? A dolphin is a mammal, just like you. Dolphins look like fish, but they are different in some very important ways. A dolphin's life. A baby dolphin is called a calf. A calf can swim as soon as it is born and drinks milk from its mother's body. When the little dolphin is about 6 months old, it starts to eat fish. And then over here it says, a baby dolphin has a small mouth. The calf smacks food against the water to break it into bite-sized pieces. Dolphins live in small groups called pods. Some pods join together to form schools. A dolphin's school may have more than 1,000 animals. Dolphins use squeaks, squeals, and whistles to talk to each other. Some dolphins in a pod are in charge of watching for sharks and other predators. So now we learned that a small family of dolphin is called pods. And when other pods get together, it becomes one big school. So that's a really large family. Dolphins work together to catch prey. Dolphin pods will swim circles around a school of fish until the fish are tightly packed together. The big group of fish is called a bait ball. When the fish have nowhere to escape, the dolphins take turn diving in for a snack. So this is how dolphins work together to catch food. And it kind of reminds me of the wolf and how the wolves in a pack work together to hunt for their food. Under the sea. When a dolphin swims slowly, it rises to the surface and breathes once or twice a minute. When a dolphin swims fast, it leaps out of the water to catch its breath. Dolphins have great eyesight, but the ocean can be very dark. It's hard for dolphins to see the little fish they like to eat on the floor. If a dolphin is hunting alone, it will put its head to the ground and make a clicking noise. The noise hits anything in the dolphin's path and bounces back. A dolphin can find a fish by seeing it with sound. Where dolphins live. More than 300 different kinds of dolphins live on Earth. Some dolphins swim in warm ocean waters near the equator, but some live in cooler seas north and south of the equator, and some even live in rivers. I'm just going to skip a few pages. The most amazing dolphin of all is the orca, also known as the killer whale. The orca wins almost every record-setting award in the dolphin category. Goofing off. Dolphins spend a lot of time hunting for food, and they are always on the lookout for danger. But sometimes dolphins just want to have fun. Dolphins make up all kinds of games. So they're playing catch, surfing, and tag you're it. Dolphins and humans. Dolphins are gentle, playful creatures. They're also very smart, which is why people and dolphins get along so well. By learning about these friendly marine mammals, humans are helping to protect dolphins and the waters they live in. And that's it. So we learned a lot about dolphins. We learned that when a group of dolphins are swimming together, it's called a pod. And they can work with other pods in the ocean and create one big school of dolphins. And it could be up to 1,000 dolphins, which I think is really amazing. And they all work together to take care of the calf, which is a baby dolphin. And they all work together to hunt. And so now, of course, your job is to go to Flipgrid and you are going to act like a dolphin. I can't wait to see it, first graders. Have fun.